Earnest money. What is it? Hey everyone, Dylan.serrano here, realtor with eXp Realty, and today we're diving into the world of real estate to talk about something very crucial in the home buying process: earnest money. So what exactly is earnest money? Stay tuned and we'll explain exactly what it's all about. Simply put, earnest money is a deposit made by a buyer to demonstrate their serious intent to purchase a property. It's like a good faith gesture showing the seller that you're committed to the deal. But why is earnest money necessary? Well, it serves a few purposes. First and foremost, it shows the seller that you're a serious and committed buyer, which can give you an edge in a competitive real estate market. Secondly, earnest money provides protection for the seller. Let's say the deal falls through due to the buyer's fault. The seller may be entitled to keep the earnest money as compensation for the time the property was off the market. Now you're probably wondering, how much earnest money should you offer? There really is no fixed amount, but it's typically around 1 to 3% of the home's purchase price. The money is placed in an escrow account, which is a neutral third-party account that holds the funds until the deal is closed. Buyers, it's crucial to include contingencies in your offer. These are conditions that, if not met, you're allowed to back out of the deal without losing your earnest money. Common contingencies include home inspections, financing, and appraisal. In conclusion, earnest money is a key aspect of the home buying process. It showcases your commitment as a buyer and provides a level of security to the seller. Remember to understand the terms, negotiate wisely, and use contingencies to protect your investment. If you enjoyed watching this video and want me to continue to make videos like this, don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button for more real estate tips. Thanks for watching.